vlog! If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Francis. I am gonna be going to Guatemala! I'm gonna be solo backpacking for the very first time. I met my roommates last night. To introduce yourselves.
I'm Henry. Buenos dias. I'm Jacob. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Welcome to the vlog.
I'm Captain.
That's Guatemala.
Cheers, you guys. I'm eating pizza on an active volcano. There might be a brownout that's happening. There's no electricity. It's okay. I'm getting the full Guatemalan experience. I am currently reunited with my hostel roomies. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Wow.
Which opens up into the
Wait.
master bedroom.
I took a lancha. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This place is kind of considered as Little Italy here. I wanted to get breakfast here because it's beautiful. A lot of people go here for hotels. If you want to visit just to take pictures around, you usually have to get a day pass. But since they don't have that anymore, get a reservation in the morning or within the day, then yeah. I put so much sunscreen on. When I was in the lancha yesterday or so, oh my gosh, I literally felt my sunburn in the back, and I don't usually get sunburned. The sun here is no. I don't know what I should. I think I was probably getting breakfast burrito. Actually, breakfast burrito does not sound that bad right now. I don't want to get pancakes because I feel like it's probably not gonna be that filling. I'll show you guys later around. I'm just gonna eat, and then take my birthday photos here. I'm kind of contemplating whether or not I should get a mixed drink, but it's like 8 a.m. But also at the same time, I'm in Guatemala right now. To bring out my umbrella because the sun here is just ruthless. Eating my burrito. I got half burrito because I noticed here that everything is very fresh. Just like a little bit would make me full a lot faster. I got only that. I think there's marinara inside it, and there's also chicken with egg, lettuce with tomato, potatoes. Everything here is so seasoned well. I don't know about other people, but I've only tasted really good food here so far. Hi vlog! I'm currently back in San Juan. I reunited with them because I just saw them at the dock taking pictures.
Hi!
Hey. Again. We're walking right now to the ancestral cooking class.
Hey y'all, so my friends and I headed over to Deleite Ancestral, a locally owned restaurant by Esmeralda Pujoy run by women that specializes in Sutil Mayan cuisine. So she walked us through how the restaurant is constructed as the inside of a traditional water jug, emphasizing its significance in nourishment, community gathering, and the womb of the earth, and showed us different crops they utilize within their daily meals. Handmade tortillas, chochitos, pepian de pollo, which is a spiced chicken stew in which we grind fresh ingredients on a stone, with other sides like rice and vegetables. walking around for a bit, the boys and I got some sweet treats. So they got a dino ice cream and I got a tres leches milkshake.
Just got back to Panahachal a couple of hours ago. Reunited
Hello.
with the boys.
What's up?
And they're still thinking about going out tonight. I will be going out tonight regardless because I need to redeem myself from a couple nights beforehand because nothing happened. And I'm very sad about that. At this restaurant right now, so it's called Seven Caldos. We already ordered, so we're gonna wait for our food to come.
You forgot something.
What?
The man you met on the boat.
Oh, and that. Oh my god. I've never been in my life as a revolve around the band. But no, there was a guy that I met on the boat. We were talking to each other. I invited him. My birthday is this Saturday, and so I was kind of just like, more the merrier. That's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Hi, you guys. The boys surprised me with a little cake. I will insert the video here. Thank you. Our food did come out. I do have chicken plate. And then
I got a steak with a salad and some rice.
Got a steak as well, salad and rice.
I got tamales, I think, and then tamales meat, and then ceviche on the side.
oh wow.
I like
Okay.
that.
This looks insane.
My vlog, it is the next day. I separated from all the boys. Very sad, but they're going to Champe today. I'm planning to stay here for like half a day till I go back to Antigua because it's a shorter commute from Antigua to Guatemala City. I'm planning to get some breakfast at the same place that I had yesterday. Just gonna get an omelet. At my hostel, there's food there, but it's all higher price. I get some food here and then afterwards go over to Eagle's Nest. I'm going to San Marcos. It's a village here that's known for being a lot more gentrified, honestly. There's a lot of hippies, a lot of gringos. I am doing a yoga class there for an hour or so. And then I was gonna check out Cliff Jump over there. That's it, I'll just go back to Panahachal. I think I might try to get a private shuttle to go to Antigua and might leave at 4 p.m., get there around 7 p.m. I'm sweating right now because I am wearing a long sleeve because I don't want to get any more sunburn than I already have. I got coffee from Cafe Nectar. I just got out of the way. I got their specialty coffee. I'm nearby the Eagle's Nest, but I don't exactly know where it is. One thing that nobody tells you about Guatemala, there's so many volcanoes here, so everywhere that you go is uphill. You're practically hiking to go to the next place if you don't take a tuk-tuk. Finished the yoga session. I didn't record it because it's kind of the whole point of it. It's supposed to be kind of grounded and centered. It was really cool. That was the first time that I've ever taken a yoga class, and first time I took a yoga class, it's in front of 3 volcanoes. That's actually crazy. I did forget to mention that this place, the Eagle's Nest, is all the way in the mountains, so literally a trek to get here. I feel like I would have been fine if I just didn't have a twisted ankle right now.
In the vlog, I forgot to talk about my experience going back from Eagle's Nest. I literally got lost. I could not find my way back to the main road. I was struggling to speak with this one woman who was a local there, wearing all Mayan clothing. I was like, yeah, I need to go to this spot. I was trying my best to speak Spanish. And then tell me how she takes me back to Eagle's Nest. And I'm like, no, wait, no. And then afterwards she was just like, and then I eventually paid her. The cliff jump. I'm not doing it. This is the smaller one and this is the higher one. Someone from the other day had actually compressed their spine while going down that one. They didn't have a lunch to take them. Wait, how? Oh my god.
He probably just compressed his spine.
Oh, it's not good that I got that camera.
He bit his lip.
I can't even watch them because it's stressing me out. The other day they had to take a girl out on the boat and it's like, ambulance. I'm not jumping. I'm gonna take a little swim and then afterwards go back up. Just here for the vibes. Was on the lancha. I came very last minute, and so I was at the very back. I was getting sprayed the whole entire time. Yes. I think I've already reached my limit of how much I can take while being on the boat. Yesterday I had some nausea at dinner time because we were on the boat for 2 hours long. Y'all, back at Social though, and I'm about to go to Antigua. But tell me how I was going through my stories. This is this girl that I met the other night. She posted a picture of this guy. She's like, oh my god, I can't believe that blah 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 met him. I was like, hold on. I was in San Marcos. I had trouble finding a diving port that I was previously at, and so there was a guy who was speaking in Spanish and English interchangeably. He was just like, oh yeah, I can help you. Oh, okay, thank you so much. And I was like, oh wait, I know that guy. He helped me out. Apparently he's a famous Latin artist. He's like in Rolling Stone. I'm like, oh, okay. It is the next day. It is finally my last day here in Guatemala. Oh my gosh. I feel like this week has been a fever dream. I'm at Ohala Hostel. It's underneath the same company as My Papaya. And My Papaya is known as one of the best hostels in all of Central America. This place is really cute, very quaint. At nighttime, this place becomes a cafe/bar, but during daytime, it's a normal hostel.